Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problem of Class 10 NCERT syllabus and the lesson name is Statistics. Exercise 13.1 8th question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Here they have given the data and we have to find out the mean. Look at this. The data it is like this and we have to find out the mean. Let us find out the mean by direct method. Okay. First, let me write the formula to find out mean by direct method. Mean by direct method. What is the formula to find out mean by direct method? Mean is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by sum of fi. This is the formula to find out mean by direct method. Right? Now look at the class interval. Here, this is our given class interval. Okay? Let me represent it as Ci. And this is our frequency table. Let us represent it by Fi. What is the first step? First, we have to check whether the order of the class interval is correct or not. Now look at the class interval. See here, the class interval it is started from 0 and it is ending at 6. Isn't it? And the next class interval it must start from 6. Here it is ending at 6 and here it is started at 6. Here it is ending at 10 and here it is started at 10. Here it is ending at 14 and here it is started at 14. Here it is stopped at 20 and here it is started at 20. Here 28 and here it is started at 28. Here it is stopped at 38 and here the next class interval it started from 38. If it is like this, if the class intervals are like this, then we can say that the order of the class interval it is correct. No need to worry. Suppose if it is not like this, we have to do some alternative in this. Okay. But in this question, there is no problem. The class intervals they are in order. Now, next step is here we have a frequency table. Look at the formula, that is sum of fi into xi. What is this xi? Xi it is the middle number of the class interval or midpoint of the class interval. Okay, here xi. Now, which is the middle number of the class interval 0 to 6? You can say that 3. You can directly say that 3 is the middle number between 0 and 6. But we have a formula to find out xi. And my suggestion is at least for 2 class intervals you use the formula. Because in the examination they will give you marks for the formula. See here. Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. This is the formula to find out xi. Now what is this upper class limit and lower class limit? Let me explain you that. Now look at the class interval. See here, the numbers in this side they are called as what? Lower class limit. And the numbers in this side they are called as what? Upper class limit. Okay. Now let us find out the xi of the class interval 0 to 6. Now let me write 0 to 6. Say xi is equal to upper class limit. In the class interval 0 to 6, which is the upper class limit? 6 is the upper class limit. So let me write 6. For this plus, let me write plus. Lower class limit. In the class interval 0 to 6, which is the lower class limit? 0 is the lower class limit. So let me write 0 divided by 2. Okay. 6 plus 0 divided by 2. is what? 6 plus 0 is 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. That is xi is equal to 3. Means the middle number of the class interval 0 to 6 is what? 3. In the same way, let us find out the xi of 6 and 10. Means the class interval 6 to 10. Okay. So the class interval is 6 to 10. We know that xi is equal to upper class limit. Which is the upper class limit? 10 is the upper class limit plus lower class limit. Lower class limit is 6 divided by 2. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. Right? So the xi of 6 to 10 class interval is 8. In the same way, you find the xi of these class intervals. Okay. Now let me write it directly. If you find it easy to write directly, you can write directly also. 12, 17, 24, 33, 39. These are the xi. Okay. Now what is the next step? The next step is we have to find out fi into xi, because look at the formula. Look at the mean formula here. We have fi into xi, right? Means what? We have to multiply fi into xi. So let us do the fi into xi table. Fi into xi means what? 11 into 3. This is our fi table and this is our xi table. That is 11 into 3. 10 into 8. 7 into 12. 4 into 17. 4 into 24. 3 into 33. 1 into 39. So you can write the answers directly, but most of them they will get confused, so I am doing in detail. 11 threes are how much? 33. 10 eights are 80. 7 12s are 84. 4 17s are 68. 4 24s are 96. 3 33s are 99. 1 39s are 39. Okay. You can write this directly. Now what is the next step? Look at the formula. See this symbol. It represents sum of. Isn't it? Sum of means what? We have to do the addition. Sum of means what? We have to do the addition. We have to do the addition of fi and xi. Means 33 plus 80 plus 84 plus 68 plus 96 plus 99 plus 39 is how much? 499. This is our sum of fi xi. Okay. Now look at the formula. We have sum of fi. Means we have to add the fi table. Okay. Look at this one. 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is how much? Sum of fi is 40. Now we got two values, that is sum of fi xi and sum of fi. Let us substitute this in the mean formula. Okay. Mean is equal to, look at this one. Mean is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by sum of fi. Then sum of fi xi is 499. 499 divided by 40. Right? Now let me use the division algorithm method to divide this 499 by 40. See here. 40. We are dividing 499 by 40. 40 ones are 40. Then 49 minus 40 is 9. Bring this 9 down. Then 42s are 80. 99 minus 80 is 19. Okay. Now take point. Then it will become 190. Okay. Then 40 4s are 160. That is 30. 190 minus 160 is 30. Already we have a point, so that we can take 10. 40 7s are 280. 300 minus 280 is 20. Already we have a point, so that we can take 0. That is 45s are 200. 45s are 200. 200 minus 200 is 0. That is, our answer is 12.475. Right? See here, 12.475. We can round up to 12.48. Right? 12.48. Because after 7 we have 5. If you have 5, then we can round up to 8. That is, mean is 12.48. The mean number of days a student was absent is 12.48. Hope you have understood. Stay connected. Keep supporting. If you really find our videos are useful, please share to your friends. Thank you.